Is CoConstruct worth it for large-scale construction projects? If you're managing a large-scale construction project, you've probably heard of CoConstruct as a potential solution. But is it really worth it? Stay tuned because we're diving into the key features, pros, and cons to help you decide if this software is the right fit for your business. First things first, CoConstruct is a project management software designed specifically for custom home builders and remodelers, and it's been gaining traction in the industry. But how well does it perform when scaled up for large-scale projects? That's what we'll explore. The first thing to note is the project management capabilities. CoConstruct offers robust tools for managing schedules, budgets, and communication all in one place. It allows you to track project milestones, manage contractors, and keep everyone in the loop in real time. This centralized system can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with multiple moving parts across a large project. You get real-time updates, so you're never caught off guard by delays or budget overruns. Next thing, CoConstruct's budgeting and cost tracking features. For large-scale projects, staying on top of your budget is critical, and CoConstruct excels in this area. The software integrates with QuickBooks, making it easy to sync financials and manage project costs. You can easily create estimates, track actual costs, and adjust budgets as necessary. This feature is especially helpful for large projects with constantly changing numbers. The third thing to consider is the client portal. Large-scale projects often involve multiple stakeholders, and CoConstruct provides a client portal that allows your clients to see real-time updates on project progress. This transparency helps build trust and ensures clients are always in the loop about schedules, changes, and budget adjustments. It reduces the back-and-forth communication and potential misunderstandings. The fourth thing is collaboration and communication tools. CoConstruct offers a messaging system that lets you communicate with your team and clients without leaving the platform. This can streamline communication significantly for larger projects, where keeping everyone aligned is a major challenge. Additionally, CoConstruct's mobile app makes it easy for field teams to input data, check project updates, and communicate while on site. But as with any software, there are some potential drawbacks. One downside of CoConstruct is its learning curve. While it's packed with features, it can take some time to fully understand how to navigate the platform, especially for those unfamiliar with construction management software. The cost can also be a concern. CoConstruct isn't the cheapest option out there, and for smaller projects, it may not provide the same level of ROI as it would for large-scale operations. Now, is CoConstruct worth it for large-scale construction projects? If you need a comprehensive, all-in-one platform that can handle budgets, schedules, communication, and client management, it could be a game changer. However, if you're looking for something simple, or if you have a smaller project, the investment may not be justified. Before we wrap up, let me tell you this. If you're interested in giving CoConstruct a try for yourself, you can use this software completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Just click the first link below to get started with an extended free trial. Don't miss out. So, is CoConstruct worth it? If you're managing a complex, large-scale construction project and need a way to keep everything organized and on track, it could be the perfect tool for you. The advanced features and integration with accounting systems make it stand out, but it does come at a price and with a learning curve. If you're ready to dive in and try it for free, check out the link in the description below.